Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you two different ways to password protect your Excel files, so your sensitive data stays safe and private. Now, in my example here, I've got a spreadsheet that contains some fictional employee information, things like names, hire dates, employee numbers, and completion statuses. Obviously, in the real world, you'd want to keep this type of data confidential. So let's go through exactly how to do that. Step 1. Protect the sheet. The first way to protect your spreadsheet is by locking the cells so people can't edit or delete data by accident, even though they can still see it. Go to the Review tab on the ribbon. In the Protect group, click Protect Sheet. You'll see a pop-up with lots of options. You can tick or untick what you'd like users to be able to do. For example, select cells, insert rows, or format columns. At the top, there's a box for a password. This is optional, but it's definitely a good idea to add one if you don't want others unprotecting the sheet. I'll leave it blank for now and just click OK. Now, watch what happens. If someone tries to type over a value in this table, Excel won't allow it. The data is locked and protected from changes. But there's one problem. Anyone who knows Excel can just go back to the Review tab, click Unprotect Sheet, and the sheet unlocks immediately. So let's fix that properly with a password. Step 2. Add a password to the sheet. Let's try again. Click Review, then Protect Sheet. This time type in a password, something secure but memorable. Click OK, confirm the password, and you'll get a warning message reminding you that if you forget the password, there's no way to recover it, so make sure to note it down safely. Now the sheet is fully protected from changes. People can still view the data, but if they try to edit or unprotect it, Excel will prompt them for that password. Let me show you. If I go to Review, Unprotect Sheet, Excel immediately asks for the password. Only someone who knows it can unlock the sheet. Step 3. Encrypt the entire workbook full protection. Okay, so that's great for preventing edits. But what if you want to protect the entire file, so that no one can even open it without a password? Here's how to do that. Click on the File tab. Go to Info. Click on Protect Workbook. Then select Encrypt with Password. This is a stronger type of protection because it actually encrypts the file. Type in your password, click OK, and re-enter it to confirm. You'll see the same warning. If you forget this password, there's no recovery method, so keep it safe. Now click Save to make sure the encryption is applied. Step 4. Test the password protection. Let's test it out. I'll close the workbook completely and open it again from the desktop. Now, when I double-click the file, Excel won't open it. Straight away, it's password protected. If I try a wrong password, Excel blocks me. No access at all. But when I type in the correct password and press Enter, the file opens normally, and I can view and edit my data. That's how you can make sure your Excel file is safe, whether you just want to stop people from changing your data or completely lock down access to the entire workbook. And that's it. 2 easy ways to password protect your Excel files. One for protecting the data inside a sheet, and one for locking the entire file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sheet Leveler, for more practical Excel tips and tutorials. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I'll see you in the next video.